Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $1,200 plus watching videos for free, and this is available worldwide. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online, and for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I mean any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a magic number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that number, type it down in your comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. So without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you how you can get this money. Okay family, I'm at this website. Name of this website is gg2u.org. So on this website, you're going to earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, and watching videos, and more. So it says here, our exciting new rewards program will give you GG2U coins for doing very easy things like trying out new games, answering quick survey questions. And you're going to get paid through PayPal, Bitcoin, or e-gift cards. Now check this out guys. Our surveys and offers will usually give you among the best payout rates in the entire industry. They use 65 to 85%, whereas the competitors, they only pay 40 to 60% to their members. And when you sign up now, you're going to get paid $1 sign-up bonus. And all you got to do is just go right here, put in your name, email address, username, password, and the country you're from. And like I said earlier, this is worldwide. And let me show you. As you can see here, look at all these countries, guys. It's a lot of countries. That's practically the whole world, guys. And wherever you're from, you can sign up and start making money on this website. So it's easy ways for you to earn, so you'll be rewarded for things like playing games, answering survey questions, signing up at sites, and installing apps. You can even earn extra while you're playing video games or doing other things like simply having your videos playing in the background on your phone or computer. So guys, you really don't even have to look at the video. You can just have the video playing in the background. Now, I have an account, so let me log in and just show you around right quick. Okay family, I'm inside my account, and as you can see here, you get $1 for every 100 coins. And check this out, you get $6 more, and you're going to reach 7. So I already got $1 in here, and all I need is $6 more, and I can reach $7, and I'll be able to cash out if I want to. Now as you can see here, they got Offertoro, they got AdGate Media, and here are the gaming offers, special offers, surveys, and videos. Since we're talking about videos, I'm going to go ahead and click there. takes you here. So it says here, for every 200 video points you earn, you receive a silver token, which will add $1 to $3 to your account balance. It also says here, click a video channel below and earn video points for the ads that are shown. So when you watch the video, you're going to be making points for every ad that is shown. And what they use this other website called Hideout. And Hideout has all the videos you can check out, and that's where you make money from. So you're going to click right here. Takes you right here to Hideout TV. You go ahead and sign up, and they're going to show all the videos for you. And right here you get to redeem your silver tokens that you receive, and you can get $1.60. And they also have spin the silver wheel to get $3. So they got a lot of ways to make money on here. And the next thing I want to show you, I went ahead and clicked on promote, and right here this is where you can get your referral link. And when you share your referral link and people click on it, and when they make money, you're going to get 5% of their amount. So guys, that's all I'm going to show you about this website. It's a very good website if you want to come here to watch videos and also do other things. You can make some good money on this website. So to get started, go to gg2u.org. Okay family, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 20 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, thank you, really appreciate it. Please keep watching my videos, help this channel get to 8,000. My goal is to get to 10,000 before the end of this year. And once I get to 10,000 guys, I'm going to give out a very, very special gift to a very lucky person. So it'll be very beneficial for you to get this channel, all you guys, to get this channel to 10,000 subscribers, because I'm going to be giving away something special. Maybe a couple of people, maybe 3 people. So please help this channel get to 10,000 subscribers, guys. Keep sharing it. Alright, that's it. Make sure you get your grind on, because our grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.